Hi everyone and welcome back to Alice's Toy Box. Today I have another blind bag video for you, so let's go ahead and get started. I have the Disney Junior The Lion Guard capsule with 5 characters to collect. So I'm going to guess it is the Lion Guard because one's hidden behind this sticker. So let's just pop this open and we have Fuli. So here she is, the cheetah. Or is she a leopard? Can't quite remember. I haven't watched Disney Junior in a long time. My daughter has changed to Nick Jr. at the moment. So there is Fuli. So I think I'm just going to work front to back. Now we have a Ferby Mashem. We already have one of these. I have a funny feeling it's the purple one. So any other one apart from the purple one will be great. Yes, we have the orange Ferby, and these are squishy. You can twist them, they're full of water, you can make their eyes pop, and they're a little bit sticky, but overall very cute. And then next up we have one of my favourites, which is the Mini MixieQs. So this comes with 2 collectible characters inside. Now I need to go through my checklist to see, my collection, sorry, which characters I still need to complete it. So I'm probably going to need the checklist because these come all mixed. Now I don't have either of these. So here is our first character. I've got to work out what hair she has. I would have thought this one, but I'm always wrong with the hair. So let's have a look at the checklist. Not this side. I may have this completely wrong. Okay, I think I had this. Could be the other way around, actually. Okay, let's have a look at the checklist. So, yes, I do have this the wrong way around. See, I always get it wrong. So this here is Florist from the Bubbly category. And then maybe her dress is the wrong way around. Oh, it's got a little bow on the back. Let's see if I can show you. There's the back of the dress. So maybe her dress is on the wrong way round. I'm looking for somebody with this brown hair. No. The one that has this hair has a different outfit on. So I think there may have been a mix-up. Oh no, here. Boho from the friendly category. So they were both green. Where's the florist? Yes, so they're both everyday. Next up we have the Trolls, way back from series 1. I'm going to cut this, I think, from the bottom because I don't want to cut any hair. So here is, whoa, messy hair troll that we have. She needs a lot of work with her hair to get it. There we go, it's a bit better. So I don't believe these came with names. Let's double check. No. So we have this troll here. Purple troll with yellowy hair. Wavy hair. There is our troll. Let's get rid of some of this rubbish. We have 2 left, so I'm going to go with this Little Tykes. It says surprise waffle blocks surprise pack. So you get the 2 pieces, which I've been collecting. So my daughter has lots of these that she can play with. And then inside has either one of these characters or an animal. So as long as I don't get a double. We have a person, which is the first time I've ever had a person in these. I've always got the animals. So you get these blocks here that you can put together. Just get the other one out. So these can fit together in all different ways. There we go. And here is our person. It looks like a pilot. Oh, my scissors aren't sharp. Here he is, and I believe that he can just, maybe not. I have to work out that side. There he is. But I think we're just going to stand him up for this video. It also came with a checklist of all the people and animals that you can collect. So the last toy for this video is going to be the Disney Cars Metal Mini Racers. Contains one vehicle and one poster. So let's open it so I don't cut the poster. And when it says poster, I think it just means checklist, because this is what we get inside, and they are numbered, they are not named, unfortunately. So this looks like a really old car. Cars 3 metallic series. No. Go back to this side again. Derby races. Oh, here we go. Here's ours. Radiator Springs series. And there he is. I'm not too sure who he is in the film. You'll have to let me know if you guys know. But the wheels work, and it is hard metal, so it can't be broken. So let me know which toy was your favourite from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.